Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I'm going to show you how to unlock or remove the forgotten pattern, pin or password. So with the help of a hard reset, we can do this one. Okay, so before do the hard reset, first need to connect our device to any other device or any power adapter. Okay, now we need to power off our device. For this, press and hold the volume down button and the lock button. Now tap on the option power off to power off this device. Yeah, now our device is powered off. Now we need to go to the recovery mode. For this, press and hold the volume up button and the power button for a couple of times. Keep holding both buttons until the Samsung logo appears. Now the Samsung logo is here. You need to release the button when the Android recovery menu appears. Yeah, now this is the Android recovery menu. I will show you the closer view. So here you can see what are the menu. Reboot system now, apply update from ADB, apply update from SD card, wipe data or factory reset. This is the hard reset option, wipe data or factory reset. So to move the menu, we need to use the volume buttons to move the menu. To select the menu, we need to use the power button. So let me show you use the volume buttons. We can easily move this one. This is wipe data, and to select this menu, press on power button. Then again select the option factory data reset. Then confirm this one using the power button. Now at the bottom you can see wiping data, formatting or data, formatting cache, like that. You can see the data wipe complete. Okay, now we need to reboot our system. Confirm this with the power button. Now you can see your device is rebooting. Actually, you need to do the hard reset on your risk. If you do the hard reset, it will wipes all your personal informations like photos, videos. So you need to take care of that one. And after do the hard reset, you will get your device like a new device. Okay, and after this one, you need to set up your phone also. Okay, so simply in this way we can we can unlock or remove the forgotten pattern, pin or password. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.